Hey guys, it has been a long time coming. With the shutdown, we're not able to get a lot of stuff, but the beauty supply store was open yesterday. So I'm going to make a lace front wig, guys. And this one I'm going to put baby hair on. So if you guys see, I took a piece of lace and I put it right here on the band where the elastic band is. And I'm actually going to sew this on a sewing machine, guys. And I'm going to get rid of that. So when I get done putting this hair on the wig with this lace in the front, I will be able to attach baby hair. So I'm going to get that started, guys. And then if you guys see, I got the markings where I'm going to lay the track. I'm going to get that started, guys. And I'll come back with you guys. Bye-bye. Guys, so once you get the lace sewed down, this is what it should look like. So this is going to be the part where you do the baby hair. So now I'm just going to keep sewing. And I do these on a sewing machine. So you see, once you put this lace on, that's going to mimic the baby hair. So now, guys, as you guys see, I got the line. So I'm just going to keep sewing the tracks until I get way up here on the crown, where then we're going to insert the closure piece. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like after I put the lace. And then I'm going to keep sewing. So you guys, if you want it thicker, you bring the tracks closer together. You want it not so thick, you take them farther apart. So I'm just going to keep doing this sewing on the sewing machine till I get way up in the top, guys, and I come back. And then if you guys are not using a sewing machine, you could do it by hand. And I am using a small size canvas block to make it fit to my perfect size. So if you guys are medium, buy a medium canvas block. If you're a small, buy a small canvas block. So I'm going to continue to sew, guys. Bye. Guys, so you can see I got this is one bundle sewed on to the cap. And guys, all these materials you can get from your local beauty supply store, including the lace, guys. If you want to make your wig and do the baby hair, we'll make it a lace front. So I'm going to try it on, guys. And I do have a wig on top of wig, but with the spandex, it's going to have the ability to scratch, guys. And then, guys, I do use a zigzag stitch when I'm sewing it. And then with this wig, guys, I'm not going to put combs and clips. I will glue down the front. And then what I would do, I'll take the, what's the namers? I sew it down in the back. So now what I want to do, guys, that I have this on, I am going to attach the closure so I can see where I want that to be. So this is the 5-inch closure, guys, with the 5-inch parting. So I like mine's a little too the left, going that way. So right about here. So I'm going to attach the closure, guys, and then I'll come back and fill all the different other spaces in. So this is where I want to attach it. So if you guys see, I already made 2 little markings because I tried it on before. And I'm going to attach the closure, guys, and I'll come back. Bye. Okay, guys, so now this is what we have now that I didn't attach the closure up here. So now, guys, I'm just going to continue to add the tracks. And then after I add all of the tracks, guys, this part will be pulled back. And then I'm going to ventilate about 2 inches going around. And, guys, when you do this, try to drop your track, your closure all the way here at the end. And I did sew it across, guys, because I don't want that flapping. And then I am going to go underneath, even though it's this color cap, I am going to go underneath here, guys, and split that down so I can put concealer in the middle. So this is what it's looking like so far. Got the closures on there, and I just got to finish putting the rest of the hair on there. And, guys, this hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and you can wash it and different things like that, curl it. So I'm gonna continue, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so this is all of the tracks onto the unit. And, guys, it do look real thick because if you guys know, I do have a wig on top of wig. So now the last thing I got to do, if you guys see, I'm going to ventilate here. So I drop the tracks as far as I can, guys. So now I'm going to ventilate 2 inches going around and give me the baby hair that I need. So I wanted to show you guys, and I did split the cap. I'm going to take it off. I am wearing a wig on top of wig, guys. See, that's why it looks so bulky. So I did split the cap because I want to be able to put concealer. So you see that, to make it pop. So I did split the cap, but this is what it's looking like, and it has been machine sewn. So the last thing I got to do is add the baby hair, going all the way around the perimeter, guys. And this unit will be complete. So when I do that final step, guys, I'll bring it back to you guys. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And yes, all of my products came from the Beauty Supply House. But if you guys don't have a canvas head, go on eBay or Amazon, put in wig block, and put in, if you're a medium, put in medium wig block. If you're a large, put in large. If you're small, put in smart. And also, you can get the ventilating needle as well. So as always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so I started to do some of the ventilating going around here and right here. So I'm almost done, guys, and I just got to add the baby hair once I get done. Alrighty then. Okay, guys, so now it is complete. So all I have to do is when I get ready to wear this wig, I will cut the baby hair at that time. But so now the wig has the ability to go back this way. So when I get ready to wear it, I will cut out the baby hair. So it is all complete. So when I get ready to wear it, I will trim. I want it to go more that way. And I'll trim the baby hair. And it is complete, guys. So you guys have an awesome day, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. And remember, on my head, I had the wig on. So, yes, guys, you can pick up all the supplies from the beauty supply store. And when I mousse the baby hair and cut the baby hair, I will put the wig on and let you guys see actually what it looks like when I do wear this unit. But I have to get my hair rebraided. So, thank you guys for watching. And you guys have an awesome day, guys. And hope you had a happy Mother's Day. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.